Update everyone, tonight is salsa night, so I'm having people over to my place. We're gonna pregame here, then we're going to salsa. Finally hosting in my room tonight. We'll give you the tour. So I set up the chairs, you walk in, little party platter. Yeah. We have the beers, this, nut mix, this. My favorite snack. At the beach with the Catholic Center. I don't know if you can see that. We're playing wiffle ball? I don't know, but we had mass at the beach, super fun. Oh, you missed. It's really gorgeous. That's fine. Yay!
Went to Santa Monica, then I went to Lawrence Sanders 21st, and then
How was that?
it was super fun. It was
good.
It was really good.
Where are we at now?
Now we're at the 9.
I'm so glad.
I'm so glad I ran.
Recording, right? And in some cases, there's a heavy effort to.
Hey guys, so tonight, me and my friends here, introduce yourselves.
Frida, Jordan.
What do we do? Someone wanna?
We made peach cobbler.
We cobblered it.
Beautiful.
We did some fall baking.
Yeah, tomorrow, so the first day of fall. Everyone share their best first day of fall stories.
Oh my gosh. I don't even officially, I mean, I guess tomorrow is the first day of fall, but I don't have a fall story.
I do. It was the first worst day of fall, and we'll leave it at that. Explain what's going on.
We're having a bibble student poop clapper.
Exactly.
What she said.
Yeah.
Black day.
This is the skyline, the Los Angeles skyline, everyone. This is the Lorencito. What if you accidentally fell in?
I almost did accidentally.
I know. This is the Lorenzo. Iconic. Freaking iconic, man.
Hello everyone, so we're at karaoke right now.
What did we just sing?
We just sang Valerie together. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Everyone clapped.
The cutest song ever in the world. Yeah, pretty cool. Maybe next is Dear Theodosia. We have a Hamilton fan here. So.
Hamilton gangs.
What's up, guys? We're at the Catholic Center here. I want to introduce you to my new friends.
Hey, it's Teddy.
Yeah, Teddy's really cool.
Thank you.
Tell us something interesting about yourself.
This is a good story. One time I went over to Thomas's house and I saw a cage and I was like, what is this for, Thomas? And the door was open and he told me it was his pet tarantula that had gone on the loose, and then we spent like an hour trying to find it.
Oh my gosh. And the person who the story's about?
Thomas, hey. My interesting story is we never found that tarantula, so could be anywhere around USC or in the Catholic Center. Who knows? Yeah. Nice to meet you guys, though.
Aw, that's so sweet. Yeah. Just, peace out.
Okay. I'm gonna put the keys down.
No, this is so I remember where stuff goes.
The orange one.
Yeah.
On the yellow shorts.
Okay. Hey, but look how cool these masks are. Love it. Where are we at?
We're at the 90.
First time. This is my outfit. Hey guys, what's up? We're at.
Hey vlog.
We are at like a little house show. It's a huge house show. Basically, everyone that I love at USC is here. It's actually so wonderful.
It's actually so wonderful. There's so many people.
Yeah, there's so many
least, I haven't done this in so long
Yeah.
because of COVID.
Yeah.
And there's all these people in one place.
Yeah, we'll introduce you to a couple of them.
A couple of months ago, y'all went to like the
music's not
market,
even
like,
playing
bought
right
some,
now,
like, some
We're
food,
dancing our
like, a
little
bunch of
hearts
food.
off. Happy game, look at this. Who's gonna drink all this? I got my pink lemonade, cotton candy pop rocks. This is pre-party. This is the outfit. Shout out to my parents for getting me this beautiful purse. This is music guy.
Hi, happy game day. My name's Amy.
Beautiful.
More people are here.
That's so. Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on?
Going to the game.
Yes.
You know the vibes.
Yes. Have my cute little USC mask on. We'll give you a little tour. This is the student entrance. Yay! Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Get this on me. We've already got it. Oh goodness.
Face that way. Wait, Matthew, get down there.
You need help?
Oh man.
It's not Tim, but Lars is male.
What are we doing, Megan?
Right now.
Nice. Or Matthew.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Wait, one sec, guys.
We should just call Joseph and he can let us in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't probably open. That's a security risk.
No,
Really?
we'll just
Let's get paid.
She's a rich